have a good time, man. Have some fun. Having fun is okay. Get some love in your life, whether that be another person or just loving yourself, man. Love is good. Spread love. Spread love.
So we're gonna do grocery. It's like emergency grocery kasi giglindol there. So this is the fish. Blue? Sa engine.
Tubig na blue.
Tubigan niya siya tubigan. Napkin, bareta, toothpaste, and so on. So come with me. With Gab. I know you're gonna vlog with me. You don't have choice.
Hindi, masarap man ito. Corn.
Ikaw ka, ikaw ka. Dalawa nito.
Karga ka na.
Argentina ba? Okay. Hi vlogs, so we're home. This is all that we got sa grocery. We received 2 cartons of ayuda. And it has bigas and coffee and dilata. Hi! So we're gonna make butchi. I made butchi kahapon kaso bitin siya. So we're gonna make it again today. We need a big bowl and milk powder and sugar. We don't do measurements, so about that. Mga isang scoop lang. Feel ko not too much. Saks lang. I don't know if makita nyo. Glass of water because we're gonna make a dough. Heat the pan and use this oil from UFC.
For 85 pesos. Cancel anytime.
I'm gonna make below and flat it out. But I think this is too thick. While it's cooking, we're gonna be trying it out. Kahit sobrang init niya pa. Ganyan? Nalagot?
Hindi na to butchi. Ano na to?
Sino yan? Wala pa gani?
Mali!
Luto, dili.
Luto.
Para na silang mga chicken nuggets. Done. We're mostly done cooking our butchi cheese. Para unique lang. We're gonna put this Anyway, good morning guys. Nag-walking kami ni mother. And yeah, nag-withdraw si mom. Bumili kami ng mga essentials. And I'm gonna dye my hair. Pero we need to do a patch test. Baka allergic ako. Whatever. At saka, bumili kami ng madaming nangyari this morning. Pero chill lang. Very chill lang kami this morning. And I'm so excited. Hindi ako pagalitan. Hindi. No, bumili kami ng mother ng pajama ko for Jiria. It's like a pair. Labubo ko talaga. This one. And yung isa pa, pero black na labubo. Black na top na shirt. Pero labubo design pa rin. Kinda funny pero it's cute. So, it's cute lang. At least may pajama na ako doon na decent. Kasi most ng pajama ko is like oldie na talaga. Yan lang. Before, I had my hair dyed. It's like copper brown. It's so ugly. Ito, it's like cream golden brown. But it's not so ano naman eh. It's not so halata, I think. Pero we will try. I want you. Ako nagpaligo nito. Ako lang kapaligo ng baby girl ko. Nam. Before.
Oh.